let's see how to use Wix Classic Editor for pages. Let's say you're making a portfolio for yourself. In this dashboard, we press Design Site, so we'll be directed to the website. So this site is from a sample template. So you can edit the text by clicking this. For example, what's your name here? You can add your name and your position here. You can also edit this vector art or change basic shape, or you can add your logo in here. And this is the menu. In here, if you click Navigate, it will show the Pages drop-down button, and when you click Manage Pages or Manage Menu, it opens the Site and Pages menu, and in here, you can edit and add pages. So let's say you just don't advertise yourself in this portfolio, but you'll offer some services. What you'll do is add a page here. Then you'll see services. If you click this, it will add to your pages. You can choose and then click Add Pages if you want. You can also turn this to sub-pages and then turn it back to main page. If you want to delete pages, just click this, then delete. But with these pages here at the side, sometimes you can't directly delete it from here. But this time, the delete button works. Just like this. Or if it doesn't work, you can go to this button, My Business button, and you can delete it from here. Now, if you want to add like another pages on the side, if you want to add another pages here, for example, if you're offering a product, you just need to click this button right here, and it will lead you to the Wix App Market, where you can buy another group of pages. Like for example, you need a store, you can have it here, or what you'll need. Now, most of the parts here in this page, or the pages, are from the Elements button. This is the Elements button. The text, the image, videos, and many more, you can get it here. You can change or add your image by clicking this. Click this, or you can edit image. You can design it. It has even filters, crop, or link. Now, this is a button. A button could lead customers or clients to view your other pages. You can link this to one of your page, web address, and many more. You can get this also from the Elements button here. You can also add strips if you like. There. You can change its background. And to delete this, just click backspace. Okay, let's undo it first. Then you can also add sections actually here, right here, or right here. Add sections for you to put another contents. Now you can click backspace again to delete it. You can also adjust your section like this. Then in your portfolio, you can just click Manage Projects. Then it will take you to the dashboard. In here, you can manage, edit, add, remove, or change project, however you like. And That's it. That's how to use Wix Classic Editor for Pages. See you soon!